Hello and welcome to another update video on Doge. I'm here on the Dogecoin 1 hour chart, and so far the analysis is playing out nicely because the market has reacted to our Fibonacci support zone. I think yesterday around the same time I recorded a video and we were just hovering in our Fibonacci support zone. So a reaction after an ABC structure to the downside is not surprising. I also mentioned to you that so far this pullback looks rather corrective, which means it's a three-wave move down, which keeps the door open for higher. Now we have seen a bounce, but the price has not had, you could say, the momentum or volume to break above the highs of this week. Yeah, so we could not break above the Friday high at 26.6 cents, which would be needed to get that fifth wave up. For now, it's a three-wave move up, and we should not be surprised if the price breaks to another low. It's possible, yeah? That would not even be a major problem. It would just mean an extension of the B wave to the downside, the correction that started here on the 13th of September. This is why I'm tracking with you guys every single day for a possible five-wave move up. It's not a prediction that we get 5 waves, but it means if we get 5 waves, then we have that first confirmation that the B wave bottomed. We can already track for that potential, but it's only a potential. First confirmation comes in when we get all 5 waves up. Now that doesn't mean that this is typically, let's say, the best time to buy. I mean, that depends on your own trading plan, but most Elliott wave traders would then wait for the pullback, because after a 5-wave move up, we would typically get a corrective pullback, which we would label wave 2. We can then expect it to hold. Doesn't mean it's guaranteed, but we can expect it, can watch for it, can have a clear bias. And then a third wave up should take us to new highs. Now, we're not there yet, right? We don't even have the 5 waves, but we can still track for that potential. For me, this is still a clear 3-wave move up. And yeah, one more high would be ideal in the 5th wave. That might mean that the 4th wave gets another leg down. I mean, we shouldn't ignore that potential. We shouldn't rule that out. But for me, that doesn't even change anything. Yeah. For me, this is a range. A range between the Friday high and the 61.8 retracement, the lower boundary of our box. So it's a range, okay? So again, we could do this. It wouldn't change anything, right? So therefore, I always say, I would recommend to view this as a range. And as long as the 23.7 cent level is holding, I'm going to watch for that potential for one more high. Just be prepared. We might see a broader wave 4 if that happens. It is just another test of support in a range. So if we get another high, the next resistance is around 26.9 cents and then 27.5. Maybe we can even stretch to 28.4 cents. Anything above that, yeah, and it will look more like a 3-wave move again, right? Because the 5th wave should ideally not break above the 78.6 extension. Are there any changes? I'll, of course, let you know. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to check out our membership options. Today, we're running our 5 p.m. UTC community live session again. Feel free to join. As a member, you can get access. We'll normally cover 30 to 50 coins, depending on how many requests there are and how much time we take for education. And also, you get a lot of additional member-only videos, like Sui is covered very often, BNB. Others, you get access to our Discord server as a gold member. That's basically the heart of what we do, with a lot of additional content, updates on gold and silver, for example, as a bonus, some stocks updates, and a full Elliott wave course if you want to learn it. Lots of stuff. So check it out. And yeah, I wish you a great Sunday. And if we don't see each other in the session later today, I wish you already a great start to the new week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.